Necrosis means local death of tissue within the living individual. Here, local death of tissue means not whole body is dead. Only some tissue or cells are dead. And if suppose death of whole body known as somatic death. Necrosis is defined as it is a sequence of morphological changes that follow cell death in the living tissue or organ. Here, morphological changes means changes that alter the cellular structure, and these morphological changes occur due to the degradative action of enzymes on the irreversible cell injury. These morphological changes result from two processes. First is the enzymatic digestion of cells, meaning certain digestive enzyme digests dead cell. If these digestive enzymes are derived from the lysosome of dead cell, then this type of digestion is known as autolysis. And if these digestive enzymes are derived from lysosome of infiltrating WBC, then this type of digestion is known as heterolysis. Second one is the protein denaturation. Grossly, the area of necrosis appear as a white, grey or yellow in color and have a cooked appearance. And necrotized area is surrounded by red zone of inflammation. And it is easy to differentiate the necrotized area from the surrounding normal healthy tissue. Now open your eyes, strengthen your back and squeeze your ass and listen me carefully. Suppose if the pyogenic bacteria enter into the necrotized area, it result into the abscess. Here pyogenic bacteria means pus forming bacteria and abscess means cavity that contain the pus. And if suppose saprophytic bacteria, or which are also known as putrefactive bacteria, enter into the necrotized area, it result into the gangrene. Here, saprophytic means bacteria which cause the putrefaction of the necrotic tissue. Here, this saprophytic word made by two words. Sapro means putrid or rotten and phyte means plant. So remember this important detail. Pyogenic bacteria cause abscess and saprophytic bacteria cause gangrene. Thank you so much for watching this video till the last. In next upcoming video, I will discuss about the nuclear and cytoplasmic changes of necrosis. So stay tuned. Hit a like button and say